In this video I'm going to show you how to disable TalkBack on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. In order to do so, first we need to open settings. Now if you need to scroll to a different home screen page or to the app screen, you can use two fingers in order to do so. So instead of using one finger, use two. And do the same thing in order to open the app screen. Now if you are not in the home screen and you cannot access the home screen, don't know how to do this, if you have buttons at the bottom of the screen, you can simply tap on the home screen button once and then double tap in order to go back to the home screen. And if you use gestures, use two fingers in order to swipe up from the bottom. So normally when you do gestures with just one finger, you have to use two in order to navigate. So now here, let's go to settings. So once you find this setting, we want to tap on settings once and then double tap in order to enter it. We need to scroll down all the way, using two fingers again, of course, in order to find accessibility. Tap on accessibility and then double tap in order to enter. Tap on TalkBack once and then double tap in order to enter this setting. Tap on the switcher and then double tap. Tap on turn off option and double tap. And there we go, TalkBack is disabled. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!